Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 9th of class 10th, applications of trigonometry. In the previous videos we learned about trigonometry. In this video we learn about some applications of trigonometry. In these applications, first of all, suppose that we have a long tower and there is a point on the ground. This is the point on the ground. This is tower. This is tower. This is called angle of elevation. We have two angles. First of one is angle of elevation and other is angle of depression. When we stand here and watch the top of this tower, then this is called angle of elevation. And when we stand here and watch this point from the top of the tower, this is called angle of depression. In this angle always equal to this means angle of elevation is always equal to angle of depression. Suppose that we have given this angle as 30 degree and this distance is 8 meter, then with the help of application of trigonometry we can find the height of this tower. For this we use only three concepts, that is P by H equal to sin theta, B upon H equal to cos theta and P upon B equal to tan theta. These are the three concepts which are used in this chapter of trigonometry. We have two questions. The first question is a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole on the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. In this question we have a vertical pole. This is vertical pole which is AB. This is the point on the ground C. This is the angle of elevation 30 degree. We have given the length of the rope, that is 20, and we are required to find this height. Suppose that this height is equal to H. Let H be the height of pole in triangle ABC. We have right angle triangle. This is right angle. AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. As we know, P upon H is sin theta 30 degree. This is H and this is 20. As we know, sin 30 is 1 by 2. That is 20 upon 2, which is equal to 10 meter. So in this question the height of the pole is 10 meter. In question number 2, the statement is a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Let us suppose that we have a tree. This is tree AB. Suppose that its height is H. Due to storm, this tree is break and the broken part bend towards the ground. This is point C. This is also point A. This means this distance AC, this distance AC, both are equal. Suppose that this is X and the part which break is Y. So this distance is also equal to Y. And height of tree is H, which is equal to X plus Y. And angle of elevation is 30 degree and the distance between the foot is 8 meter. Let H be the height of tree. This means h is equal to x plus y. In this right angle triangle, in triangle CBA, BC upon AB, that is perpendicular over base, which is equal to tan 30. In this BC is x, this is 8, tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. This means x is equal to 8 root 3 meter. In this triangle we also find, that is in this triangle we find AB upon AC, that is base over hypotenuse, which is equal to cos 30. AB is 8, AC is y, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. When we cross multiply, this is 16 by under root 3 meter. And height of tree is x plus y. This means 8 upon under root 3 plus 16 by root 3. This is 24 by root 3. When we rationalize this, 24 root 3 upon 3, 8. This means total height of tree is 8 under root 3 meter. In question number 3, the statement is a contractor planned to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she preferred to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she want to have a slide at a height of 3 meter, inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. Find the length of slide in each case. In first case, she prefer to install a slide for the children of age 1.5 below 5 years. This is the height of the slide and this is the slide. This is the slide. But in second case, this is angle of elevation is 30 degree and we need to find this x. In the second case, the children above 5 years, she prefer to install a slide whose height is DEF, whose height is 3 meter. This is 3 meter and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. In this we have need to find this length, that is y. In these two questions, in first triangle, that is in triangle ABC, we have AB is perpendicular and AC is hypotenuse. As we know, P upon H is sine theta. So AB is 1.5, this is x, sine 30 is 1 by 2. When we cross multiply, this becomes 3. This means the height, the length of the slide in first case is 3 meter. In second case, in triangle DEF, DE is the perpendicular and DF is the hypotenuse. P upon H is sine 60. So DE is 3 upon y. Sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2. When we cross multiply, 6 by under root 3. When we rationalize this, this becomes 3. Y is equal to 2 root 3 meter. This is the length of slide in the second case. In question number 4, the statement is, the angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of tower. In this question we have a tower AB. Suppose its length is h, which is required to find, and there is a point on the ground. This is point C on the ground. In this question, this is 30 meter and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Let H be the height of tower in triangle ABC. AB upon BC, that is perpendicular over base. This is tan 30. H upon 30 is equal to 1 upon under root 3. H is 30 upon root 3. This cancel out. This becomes 30 root 3 upon 3. This is equal to 10 under root 3 meter. This is the height of the tower. In question number 5th, a kite is flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. This is the height of the kite, that is above 60. This is kite A, B. This height is 60 meter. In next line, the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. This is the point on the ground. This is the length of the string. In this question, we are required to find this length of the string, which is we taken as x. This angle of elevation is 60 degree. In this triangle, ABC, AB is the perpendicular, AC is the hypotenuse. As we know, P upon H is sine 60. So this is 60 upon x. Sine 60 is under root 3.2. Then x becomes 120 upon root 3. When we rationalize this, it becomes 120 under root 3 upon 3. This cancel out. So the length of the string is 40 under root 3 meter.